Natanya! Those are some funny noises. Funny, funny. Funny, funny. Thank goodness, Natanya. You just rolled over twice and now you just want to lie there and do nothing? You look funny with your little dancing.